Hello everyone, this is Epic 3D Builds here, and I've made a 3-part series on how I made these villagers. Some of you have requested me to show you guys how I actually made these Minecraft figures, so I've decided to do so. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I 3D printed the Minecraft villagers. I'm going to now show you how I sliced them on my slicing program FlashPrint. To begin with, I open up all of the different files. Then I rotate the models so then they are flat on the surface, so it prints properly. As you can see, I'm cutting the pieces into different parts. This is so I don't have any overhang. Overhangs are when the print isn't flat on the base of the printer and it doesn't have anything to print onto. So those can be a problem sometimes when printing. I normally like to avoid that by cutting them in half or in quarters. Now I've finished one villager, I'm just copying and pasting that villager because they have the same parts, and I've done that again. Now we have 3 villagers. Now I'm importing the farmer's hat and the armorer's goggles onto the file. So as you can see, I'm cutting on the armorer's goggles so then there's no overhangs. This can take quite a while just to get right. After I cut the strap off the goggles, I had a little extra part, so I had to delete it. Now I'm done. The configurations that I normally use for my models is 50% hexagon pattern with fine quality. After that, I just have to send it off to my Flashforge Adventurer 3 printer. So here is my 3D printer printing out the Minecraft villagers. This print took 11 hours and 8 minutes. Normally after it's finished printing, I like to sand them down. This makes it easier for me to paint them. For these villager models, I used my diamond file set and I used some sandpaper to sand them down. I hope you guys enjoyed this part 2 of my villager series. And remember, when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will release the 3D files of my Minecraft figures to the community. Please like, subscribe and ring the bell icon below. And see you in the next video.